Hi all, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic that's sure to get your metabolism firing: foods that burn fat. Yes, you can actually eat your way to a slimmer you. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, it's essential to know that these foods won't magically melt away fat. But they can supercharge your metabolism, making your weight loss journey a whole lot easier. Let's kick things off with lean protein sources. Foods like chicken, turkey, fish, and legumes are your metabolism's best friends. Protein requires more energy to digest, which means you're burning calories just by eating it. Time to add some spice. Chili peppers, like jalapenos and cayenne, contain capsaicin, which can rev up your metabolism and increase calorie burning. Plus, they add a delicious kick to your meals. Green tea is a secret weapon. It's packed with antioxidants and contains catechins that might help your body burn fat more efficiently. And it provides a gentle caffeine boost without the jitters. Don't forget about fiber. Foods like whole grains, oats, and quinoa take longer to digest, keeping you full and satisfied. This helps curb your appetite and supports your weight loss goals. Berries, like blueberries and strawberries, are your go-to guilt-free sweet treats. They're low in calories but high in fiber and antioxidants, making them a fantastic choice to satisfy your sweet tooth. Healthy fats are a must. Foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil keep your cravings at bay and provide a steady source of energy. They're your allies in the fight against fat. Water. Staying hydrated is essential for a healthy metabolism. Sometimes, our bodies confuse thirst for hunger, so keep that water bottle handy. In conclusion, these fat-burning foods can give your metabolism a boost and make your weight loss journey more efficient. But remember, there's no shortcut to a healthier you. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy habits are the key to success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content on health and nutrition. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.